mitaratara 25 kiumia githiru ya kuhurana na njohi, thumu hamwe na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia guku bururi-ini. Riu mitaratara ino ni nyitite thinga kuona ni niambiriirie kaunti ciothe guku bururi-ini, nao ni kuringana na minista wa ugitiri wa thiini prof kithure Kindiki uria waritie na andiki a mohoro kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
On Wednesday last week, 6th of March 2024, the government announced 25 major policy and administrative steps required to be taken to tackle the problem that we are having of proliferation of illicit and substandard alcoholic drinks.
Imwe ya mitaratara ino ari guthurimwo kwa license kuri duka cia wendia wa njohi mbere ya thiku 20 na kuhigwo kaimana kwa duka cia wendia wa njohi iria cikoragwo hakuhi na mathukuru.
Part of those measures included the suspension of all manufacturing and distilling of what is commonly known as second generation alcoholic drinks. We also announced as government on that day was the closure of all unlicensed premises, because unlicensed premises don't require any procedure. Many of them have been shut down, local places and village places, including bars and other outlets which are next to schools and next to families and residential areas.
Ngũrani na mibango ya hau kabere iria yahuthagira maundu ma kibeca kuoya mahaki na uteti ta muthingi wa kurua na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia guthondeka na kwendia njohi cia ibango. Riu maundu maya ni mahitukitwo ni ihinda kuona ni ugwati munene kuri bururi undu uria thirikari irahurana naguo.
This matter is devoid of any other consideration except national security and public safety. Therefore, we are very aware that these decisions and these measures must be implemented and enforced. All the relevant agencies have been directed to make sure that this operation and the measures are in place.
O hindi iyo Kindiki ni augite ati mitaratara ino no iguthie na mbere kuona maabitha ugitiri kaunti-ini ciothe 47 ni mehotorete gutigirira bara ya njohi thumu ni yahuka kaimana niguo guthaitira miturire ya mbeu njuthe guku bururi-ini.
And we are going around the country supervising how that is going on. So far we've gone around about 11 or 10 counties and the response is very good. We'll be going to the rest of the counties in the coming days, and make no mistake, this operation must succeed.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Mwena.